Let me show you how to install the overvoltage protection magazines. First, insert the two earth clips into the module. Next, install the module onto the profile module rack. Then use the insertion tool to connect the wires with the module, and cut the extra wires one by one. By the way, the overvoltage protection magazine is used for LSA modules, which forms the protection circuit for the protection of exchange room equipment and personnel against overvoltage. It is 10-pair modular design magazine. Then insert the GDT resistors into the overvoltage protection magazines. The housing of the magazine is flame retardant, high temperature resistance, and aging resistance. Finally, install the overvoltage protection magazine onto the module. It's finished. Thanks for watching.
The Apple, your partner in growth.